I've done over 50 rent-to-rent deals, and there's one key direct-to-vendor strategy that gets me deal after deal after deal. On this video, I'm gonna share it with you. First things first, if you want a digital mentor or you want unlimited access to all this amazing free content, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel right now. Let's get into the video. I'm Simon. 3 years ago, I decided to dedicate my life to rent-to-rent, and since then I've done over 50 deals for myself and countless deals for other people. So if that sounds good, you are in the right place. Today, I'm gonna share one of my biggest direct-to-vendor hacks, and guess what? It's actually free. You don't need any money for this. So if you're trying to get into rent-to-rent with low or no money, this video is absolutely for you. And if you find it useful, just hit the like button for me right now. First things first, get yourself a Rightmove and focus on properties available to let or properties that have been on the sales market for a long time. Number two, pick up the phone, call the agent and see if they're open to working with you. If yes, great, go through the agent. If not, then it's fair game and we're gonna go direct to vendor. To all my beloved agents, I love you. And I'll be honest with you, if you're open to working with me every single day of the week, I wanna work with you. But the fact is, some agents are against rent-to-rent and they don't even know what they don't know. Or maybe it's somebody higher up in the business that's just ruled it out. And that's fine too, you know, but I would always prefer to work with you. So I'm not cutting you out, disclaimer, and you shouldn't either. Step number three, you want to do a land reg search to find out the owner's details and send them a letter to the property address, also to their home address. Step four, don't forget, snail mail's good, but what's better is social media. So don't be afraid to reach out on LinkedIn or Facebook and just say, hey, is your property still available to let? I want to help you. Step number five, and this is a key one that's worked for me time and time again. Get in your car, go down to the property, speak to neighbors, speak to tenants, drop notes off in person and just try and be on the ground. Because guess what? People like people who are proactive and people like people that are on the ground. So if you want to get direct to vendor, you don't need to go crazy. You don't need to send hundreds of letters out. You don't need to do massive billboards. This one free hack will get you deals. Typically, I find for every 10 runs of this, I get one deal. So you've got to do this entire process 10 times. And personally, if I were you, I would be doing a few of these every single week consistently, and over time it will compound. So why is it so important to get direct to vendor in the first place? Well, the good thing about being direct to vendor is you can actually build a relationship with the vendor, okay? You can communicate directly with them. Typically, you'll get the deals for a little bit cheaper because you can pay them their net rent rather than their gross rent minus their managing agent's commission. And if they're a portfolio landlord, then you could potentially do countless other deals with them and build rapport, build relationships, get referrals. So it is great to be direct to vendor. Once again, agents, I love you because you give me the easy deals. When you call me up and say, Simon, you know them 4 beds you like, I've got one, I'm always open to working like that. That is great. But if you're brand new, maybe you've not got much money, maybe you've not got much credibility, maybe you've not got a guarantor, maybe you can't pass the affordability, maybe you can't afford deposit, maybe you can't afford to pay the first month's rent straight away, direct to vendor is the way to go. Hope you found this useful. If you like content like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.